14.5 inches on one side. Anybody want to turn their short bed to a long bed? Alright, y'all. Well, I figured give you a little rundown on the bed. Like in the other video, when I was sanding it down, we marked from the edge here all the way down. We followed it all the way down. And so it's 14.5 inches all the way to here. And we cut. So what I did is I just pulled a tape measure across, made a whole bunch of lines, dots down. Then I came back with a tape measure and did the old carpenter trick and ran it down for a straight line. So this matches this. So, you know, this point and that point are the same. So when we slide this all back, these will line up relatively close. That's done on both sides. Then you have like 3 spot welds you gotta drill out, and that whole piece peels off. Again, 3 spot welds. Same thing on this side. Sorry about the noise. My fan's running. It is hot here in Florida. I think today was like 107. So yeah. But again, 14.5 inches across. All this will be here in the middle will be cut out. We're gonna run a sawzall down here. Run the sawzall to follow this line to where even the back panel will match the front, and all this will slide up and line itself up. Then once we run the sawzall down here to the inside, it'll give us our mark from here. And then when the sawzall comes out there, it'll give us the mark, and then we're gonna run a chalk line across, and then we'll cut the floor out. Then this will be cut the rest of the way out. The middle, or the brace in the front, is gonna be slid up, and go from there. Like I showed you yesterday, we moved this 14.5 inches up to here. Just tacked it in. It will be butt welded on both sides, but we do have a short bed for the truck. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, by the Hall Boys Garage. Well, give y'all a little update. Family ended up having the coronavirus hit its household. We got quarantined, and so that's why there hasn't been no videos or anything going up on social media or YouTube or anything. But we are released from quarantine. So we've been able to get to the store and buy supplies and buy things we need. That's the main reason. It's not really because we were quarantined. It's just because we couldn't go get anything. But so give you a little rundown of what we've been doing. The bed, our makeshift tent, because that thing up there is, here in Florida, is ridiculously hot. Bed is chopped. It's shortened 14.5 inches, so it is a short bed now. Floor's cut out, obviously. We got the frame cut. Well, he does. Got the frame cut. Got the bracing across the back. The frame is all boxed in. The center support that normally runs across there that lands about here on the fuel tank, we went ahead and cut it out to make it easier to lay the bed in and out instead of fighting that bracing that runs across. So once the bed is back down, we'll weld that bracing back in so it'll keep the strength. But been sanding on the fenders, getting them ready to be rusted like the rest of the truck is. Again, I was going for a hot rod since the roof was completely rusted out. I just figured I'd do something different instead of the blue one. 69, not much been going on as I needed supplies for it. But that tomorrow, bed, cab, everything will be taken off. The Crown Vic for it's been pretty much been taken apart. We just got to chop the body off of the Crown Vic. Just takes a day. He gets them done pretty quick. But the 69, That will be an all day tomorrow. I'll have plenty of video and pictures and stuff on that one. But we're gonna cut the bed out, the cab, cut the floor out. He'll have the Crown Vic chopped up, and so by tomorrow night to the next day, we should have the cab on the frame, mocking it up. This one is almost done. Front's on, cab's on, bed will be going on today, and then we'll be welding and putting that in place. Just kind of giving y'all a rundown what's going on. Messed us up, put us 2 weeks behind schedule on everything. So luckily the guy for the 69, he's understanding, and we got a date that we're trying to reach for him now. I guess he got a car show somewhere in Georgia that he wants to take it to. I would also like to maybe get this red one and the blue one officially done, or the blue one's done. I mean, more or less the red one done, and take it up there also. But that's where we stand, y'all. We'll try to keep y'all posted where we, further as we go along. But, well, we definitely appreciate you, and we'll holler at you later. Well, y'all, since I'm underneath the truck, I figured I'd show you why you can't cut past this. There's your tank bracket that holds that in. As you see, it was cut as close as possible to maintain the bracket still. But that's it right there. It's like that on both sides. So you don't want to make the mistake in following this, because you will cut this off, and then you have nothing to hold the tank up. All right, y'all. Just wanted to share something with you on this wiring, like your tail lights and stuff. This truck didn't have the side marker light in it, so I went to the junkyard and took some side markers out from the Crown Vic. This is a little parking light, but then wired it in, soldered it in, taped it up. But these plugs are Crown Vic. This tail light is, from the 77, but you can take the Crown Vic one and it will, try to do this one-handed, y'all. It will twist in and lock in. So you don't have to splice the rear wiring into the, you don't have to use the factory plug harnesses for this. You can use the Crown Vic stuff. So, it saves you time, and then use the other bulb up there. But like I said, I added that in because I wanted these side markers to light up. So just figured I'd share that with you. And it's the same over there, but the only thing I did have to splice into was the headlights, because they're a 3-prong system, and so I just took the pigtail off the factory harness and cut the pigtail off of the Crown Vic and just spliced it together. But the turn signals, they work. You just twist them right in for some reason and they work. It's just the headlights, they don't. But figured I'd share that with y'all. Well, all right, I'll let you know. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on these videos. I'm new to this. I always forget to say it, and I normally just put it in text on the videos. But I really appreciate all the likes, the subscribers I've gotten so far, and like I said, I'm trying to grow this. I'm trying to do something, definitely with my family. This is a family built thing. You know, me and my son's been doing it, and we definitely enjoy it. But again, I appreciate everything. All right, y'all. I'll let you later.